Shotcut is a powerful, open-source video editing software that caters to both amateur and professional video creators. With its user-friendly interface and extensive features, Shotcut allows users to edit video footage with precision and ease. It supports a wide range of video formats and offers a comprehensive suite of tools for trimming, cutting, and merging clips, as well as advanced options for color correction, audio editing, and visual effects. As a cross-platform application available on Windows, macOS, and Linux, Shotcut provides flexibility and accessibility for users across different operating systems. Its robust capabilities combined with its open-source nature make Shotcut a popular choice for those seeking a versatile and cost-effective video editing solution. Brave is an innovative web browser that prioritizes user privacy and speed while offering a unique approach to online advertising. Designed with a focus on protecting personal information, Brave blocks unwanted ads and trackers by default, enhancing both security and browsing speed. By leveraging the Chromium engine, it ensures compatibility with a wide range of extensions and offers a familiar interface. Additionally, Brave introduces a novel reward system, where users can earn basic attention tokens, BAT, for opting into privacy-respecting ads. Whether you're seeking a faster browsing experience or greater control over your online data, Brave offers a compelling solution for modern web users. Vivaldi is a versatile and highly customizable web browser designed to cater to power users and those seeking a personalized browsing experience. Developed with a focus on user control and flexibility, Vivaldi offers an array of features that allow you to tailor your browser to fit your unique needs. It boasts advanced tab management, a built-in ad blocker, and extensive options for customizing the interface and functionality. Vivaldi also emphasizes privacy and security, providing tools to protect your data while browsing. With support for a wide range of extensions and a commitment to continuous innovation, Vivaldi stands out as a browser that adapts to your preferences and enhances your online experience. Audacity is a widely used, open-source audio editing software that provides powerful tools for recording, editing, and mixing audio. Ideal for both beginners and professionals, Audacity offers a comprehensive suite of features, including multi-track editing, a variety of effects and filters, and support for numerous audio formats. Its intuitive interface and robust functionality make it a popular choice for tasks ranging from podcast production to music creation. Available on Windows, macOS, and Linux, Audacity is praised for its flexibility, user community, and continuous updates, making it a go-to solution for anyone needing a reliable and free audio editing tool. PotPlayer is a highly versatile and feature-rich multimedia player designed to handle a wide range of audio and video formats with ease. Developed by DOM, PotPlayer stands out for its extensive customization options and high-quality playback capabilities. It supports various file formats, including high-definition video and complex codecs, ensuring smooth and efficient playback. With a user-friendly interface, advanced features like subtitle support, customizable skins, and a range of audio and video effects, PotPlayer offers an exceptional media experience. Its ability to handle virtually any media type makes it a popular choice among users seeking a powerful and flexible media player.